step-by-step guide to recording a podcast with Riverside.fm. With Riverside.fm, you can easily record high-quality remote interviews with both audio and video. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. You can confidently use the platform to create professional podcast content. If you'd like to follow along with this guide, head over to Riverside.fm. To begin, go to the Riverside.fm website and click on the Get Started button located in the top right-hand corner of the page. If you are new, you'll need to create an account, but since I already have one, I'll just log in. Once you complete this sign-up process, the next step is to create a new studio. You'll find the Create New button at the top of your dashboard. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu prompting you to enter a studio name and choose a recording type. Let's go ahead and name this one Riverside Tutorial. Now you'll notice two options. You can either enter studio if you want to start recording immediately, or choose continue setup studio if you are scheduling a recording for later and plan to invite guests in advance. For this tutorial, let's choose to continue the setup. You'll be asked again to select your recording type, either audio only or audio and video. Since you are creating a podcast with video, we'll choose the second option. Next, it's time to schedule the session. Click on the schedule button and then select your preferred date and time. Once scheduled, you'll move on to inviting participants to the studio. Click the invite button and you'll be able to add your guests by entering their email address. When inviting someone, you'll see three role options: audience, guest, and producer. To give you a quick overview, the host has full control of the session, including the ability to hit the record button and access all settings. Producers can join but won't be seen or recorded. They can help manage the session. Guests will be recorded and have access only to their personal settings, while audience members can watch and listen live but won't be seen or recorded. With parsing paths added, click Create Show. You'll now be taken to the studio overview page, where you can see options to invite more guests or enter the studio when it's time to record. Since we haven't recorded anything yet, the recording tab will be empty. If you want to adjust any settings before entering the studio, click on the Setting tab. Here you can change the studio name, make it public or private, and enable a lobby for guests to wait before joining the main studio. Under Participants Recording Settings, you can choose to record only audio, enable noise reduction, and select the audio sample rate. For video, you can choose between standard, optimized quality, or advanced quality. Scroll down a bit further and you will find the live streaming options, allowing you to stream your session live to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Once everything is set up, you are ready to enter the studio. I recommend joining the studio a few minutes early to make sure everything is working smoothly before your guest arrives. When you enter, you will first see a screen where you can confirm your display name, select your microphone, camera, and speakers. Always use headphones if possible to avoid echo and feedback. This helps keep your audio clean, especially during conversations with guests. Click Join Studio to enter the main interface. Here you'll see your own video feed and have the option to invite others using the invite button. You'll also notice that the session is not recording yet. On the top, you'll see the upload progress bar during and after the recording. You can name your recording, for example, Riverside Tutorial, and see your microphone activity level. If needed, you can enable noise reduction or low data mode. Wanting to notice the resolution indicator, you might initially see that it's recording in 720p even if your camera supports higher quality. To adjust this, go back into settings and switch from optimized quality to advanced quality. This will allow you to record up to 180p to 4K depending on your setup. After making this change, you should see your resolution update to reflect the higher quality. Within the studio, you can also access features like media, uploads, chats, screen sharing, and control over audio and video devices. When you are ready, press the red record button. Both you and your guests will get a countdown: 3, 2, 1, and then the recording begins. As you are recording, keep an eye on the upload percentage. One of the major benefits of using Riverside is that it records locally on each person's device and then uploads the high-quality files to the cloud. This means you won't lose quality if someone's internet connection cuts out temporarily during the call. Just remind your guests not to close the browser window until the upload reaches 100%. Ensure everything is saved properly. After recording, return to your Riverside.fm account and click your recordings. You will see your recent session listed. Click into the one you just recorded and you will have several options. You can preview the session, export it, or use Riverside's built-in editor. Inside the editor, you will find different formats to create clips such as 9:16 for stories, 1:1 for social media posts, or 16:9 for full-length videos on YouTube or Spotify. So there you have it, a full walkthrough of how to record a high-quality remote podcast using Riverside.fm. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.